Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the video. So yeah, let's get this out of the way. The Call of Duty Black Ops 4 USB charging cable. Well, that was easy. So, how long is it? Not super long. It's not really that long, but you know, it is definitely long enough to get in there and do what you gotta do. So one end, obviously, you know, you charge things up with it. Over here, we have a nice Black Ops 4 kind of logo and Activision. Although this one does not have like the little stamp on it that says built by Cautionfly. It just says Activision, which is a little odd. And then we have 3 different charging cables. So we have like our normal type mini A one, which you know you could just charge up like your Android phones, and little pro tip, your PS4 controller. So yeah. Then next up we have this one, which is flat and weird. I don't really know what this one goes to. Maybe to a Galaxy phone is what I'm guessing this one goes to. Like Samsung Galaxy. I really have no idea what this one goes to. It doesn't really say what, you know, this one goes to. And then this one, obviously, because it is a lightning cable, you know, it's going to go to, you know, your iPhones, your iPads. I don't really know if it would go to the new Apple Watch 4 or to the new, you know, what is it, App Pencil that they're calling it. I don't know. I don't have, you know, the App Pencil or the new App Watch 4. You know, the Apple Watch that they just released a couple weeks ago, like the 4th gen of the Apple Watch. So I don't really know how you charge up those. But yeah, like the iPads and, you know, iPhones, definitely that. Which is kind of cool. Because, little bonus thing I found here. Actually, today I went over to a little expo, you know, to see all the vendors that they had there. And one of them was giving out this. Oh, get out of here. Yeah, it's by AAA. So, a little AAA one. Which is kind of cool that they had this. Now, this one only charges up 2 things. It's a little weird that they have 3 cords going out here. Kind of like how this one has 3. Now you think they'll have, you know, maybe 2 going out this way, and then the charging one be on the end like how this one is, but I kind of understand what it did. A little keychain one, which actually I like this the way how they did the keychain. You just push in and pull, and then you just, you know, push in and lock it. Compared to, you know, ones like this where you gotta split them, the little split wings. So a little easier to get a hold of. So you have your weapon one, 2. Let's see if I have it on the right way. Yeah. To charge up your phone or your PS4 controller. And then the other one that you have here is supposed to be a lightning cable. I guess that's what they were going for, but I would not recommend using this one because look at the 2. I mean, this one actually has metal, this one has plastic, which, you know, doesn't really make a big deal. But looking at the pins on here, yes, I know some people would be like, dude, those are not pins. They stopped making pins, like, you know, it's like, oh my god, I don't even know when was the last iPhone that they stopped making the pins on. But I know I still use pins on my old, like, iPod video. Yeah, you know how old an iPod video is? Yeah. But I mean, you know, looking at the little, I'm still going to call them pins. Because, you know, people will still be like, yeah, I kind of know what you mean. Yeah, this one, I can already see like this 1 pin all the way missing here on this side. You know, from this one. And on the other side, there is no pins. And if we lay a true lightning cable, there's a couple pins on one side and a couple pins on the other side. This is almost all pins, except for like 1 or 2 pins missing, and it's only on one side. So pretty much all this is good for, at least for me, is to charge on my phone or PS4 controller. Would be awesome if this little lightning cable actually worked on. You could have, you know, phone, iPad, you know, all that. But yeah, just a little quick side thing that I wanted to show you that there was that. What else? And get on to our last thing, the tactical messenger bag. So yeah, let's open this up and take a look at it. So this thing doesn't really look all that tactical or really anything like a messenger bag. To be quite honest with you, it looks like a little beginner's purse. I'm not lying, that's what it looks like. It looks like a purse. Then, you know, some tactical backpack. Or a messenger bag. Let me go grab the other messenger bag and we'll see the difference. Okay, nothing else in the box, in case you were wondering. No, so we'll toss the box to the side. But yeah, this one. Actually, let me kind of move this stuff out of the way so we get a better picture of it. Now I'm starting to lose my voice. Anyway. But yeah, just a side-by-side comparison. This one, I really wouldn't call it too much of a messenger bag. Maybe a messenger knapsack or a pouch. But this, it looks like a square box or a purse. Maybe this one would be great if you have, you know, a Nintendo Switch console that you could put your stuff in. This one I would say more of a Switch. I don't really know about, you know, like Adaptor controllers that, you know, not Joy-Cons, but like the ones that actually are the grips that actually feel like, you know, PS4 or Xbox One type controller that, you know, you saw your Joy-Cons in there. Don't know if those ones would fit in there. I doubt it, but yeah, you know, you got storage that you could put like your charger or a headset cable in there. Again, you know, add to that. Maybe some games up in here in this little pouch. Well, I mean, this one, yeah, definitely is better. You could store a lot more stuff in there. Can you store a PS4 in here? I don't believe you can. But I know, maybe you can, but, you know, you can't actually have this down to, like, actually lock it down. I don't know. And then, of course, this one had, you know, full-on backpack mode. And you could just fold it up and snap it to make it compact. While this one, big rubber, you know, Call of Duty Bops thing. Love how they went with the black and orange. Kept it true and original to Blaps 2 and 3, which is pretty awesome. Kind of got like this blue camo going on. On the back, just Blaps 4. So let's open it up. Zipper pouch. You know, just a bit of empty zipper pouch, which is kind of weird that, you know, this was laying on top of the box. Usually you find like these little things like, you know, purses, backpacks, wallets, you know, things like that. And then we have this big old zipper pouch, which definitely, you know, a Switch console would fit in there. Maybe if you worry about your Joy-Cons, you could slot them in on this back one. And then, you know, up here we have a detachable keyring. So, don't really know what that would be used for as far as the Switch thing. Then we have, don't really know why, but we have this little hole in here. This little tube. I guess maybe that's, you know, so let me try wiring this in here. Like this, that maybe you could run your cables in there. I don't know, it doesn't really tell you what exactly this little thing down here is for. So yeah, that is a mystery. Then we have a little teeny tiny vocal pads that, yeah, you're just going to get like a couple SD cards in there, 3DS games, maybe some Switch games in there. Also, something I noticed on here, I don't know how good you can see on camera, but like right here, it's actually a Velcro. So if you actually do have like full-on Velcro morale patches, you could actually put them on here, which is pretty awesome. Although, unfortunately, if you bought the Call of Duty Blast 4 GameStop exclusive Pro Edition that comes with the specials patches, you can't put them on there. Because for some stupid reason, Call of Duty doesn't realize, hey, people like the airsoft and BB gun type of battles, when they buy morale patches, they like to have, you know, the Velcro ones, so that they could swap them on and off their vests, their hats, on their morale patch wall, you know, backpacks and stuff. So yeah, don't know why Call of Duty is still going with the whole stupid iron-on. You pick one item, you put it on there, it stays on there. Would love to have it if they were maybe rubberized and Velcro patches. That would be a way more awesome patches. So Call of Duty, afterwards, if you're watching this video and listening, next time you come with some next game that involves patches, maybe make them rubber and definitely Velcro. Go on, go look YouTube, go look like BB, you know, airsoft websites, and you see that they sell morale patches that has Velcro and some gear that has it, vests, backpacks, hats, you know. So yeah. Also, it does kind of have like very tight, non-adjustable side webbing on here, which all that is supposed to do is to like reinforce the sides, so it's not all like fabric and floppy stuff like how it's flat, you know, you can see here. But I guess, you know, if you did